In Sioni, 11 policemen have been booked in a rupees 3 crore Hawala money case. Among those arrested in SDOP, Pooja Pandey and 5 others. Charges includes robbery, illegal detention, kidnapping and conspiracy. Madhya Pradesh DGP Kailash Makwana ordered the action. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said no one, even senior officer, will be spared if they break the law. A DSP level officer is also among those arrested. An FIR have been filed against the accused policemen. The Madhya Pradesh cabinet led by Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav approved the Bhavantar scheme for soybean farmers. If market prices fall below MSP, the government will pay farmers the difference. The cabinet also raised the dearness allowance for Rs 1.5 lakh pensioner under the 6th and 7th pay commissions. The move seems to ease the burden of inflation on farmers and retired employees. Payments are expected soon, helping rural families ahead of the next harvest season. BJP National General Secretary Arun Singh held a press meet in Bhopal to talk about the growing Swadeshi movement. He said encourages buying Indian-made products. Singh highlighted that India now produces domestic defense items, semiconductors and chips. He also criticized Congress, saying it never cared for the economy. He added that infrastructure spending rose from Rs 2.5 lakhs crore to 12 lakhs crore under BJP rule, showing strong growth in the country. Security is tight in Gwalior as protests are planned for October 15 related to Ambedkar statue controversy. Police have set up blockades at 36 places and increased patrolling to prevent violence. The dispute started after lawyer Anil Mishra's comment against Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dalit and upper caste group have both announced a strong protest. Police officials say they are working hard to maintain law and order and avoid conflict during the demonstrations. In Indore, Congress leader protested after 23 children died in Chhindwara and Betul, allegedly due to toxic cough syrup. They called Deputy CM and Health Minister Rajendra Shukla a killer minister and demanded his resignation. Protesters placed a garland of a skull on his effigy at Regal Square. Congress leaders joined the protest. The state government has ordered an investigation and sent samples of the cough syrup for testing. Pushya Nakshatra this year will last 2 days, offering a special shopping opportunity. Both days are considered highly auspicious for buying gold, vehicles and electronics. Traders expect record sale as GST rates on many items have dropped. Market are decorated and big discounts are offered at car showrooms and electronics stores. People believe purchases during Pushya Nakshatra bring good luck and prosperity. Business owners are hopeful for better profit compared to last year. A minor dispute at a roadside dhaba in Bhopal turned violent Sunday night. During a fight over a food bill, one man was seriously injured after being stabbed in the stomach with a tandoor rod. The incident occurred in the Katara police area. Around 10 people were hurt on both sides. CCTV footage has surfaced, helping police identify suspect. A case has been registered and arrests are expected soon. In Rajgarh, angry farmers protested against the delay in crop compensation after heavy rains destroyed their fields. Members of the Bharati Kisan Union crawled on their knees to the collector office to submit a memorandum. Farmers said other districts have received compensation but Rajgarh has been ignored. They demanded immediate relief payments. Administration assured the protest that all pending claims will be verified and cleared soon. Police maintained peace during the unusual but peaceful protest. In Niwari, a 10th grade student Sahil Yadav died by suicide after being suspended for 15 days for lighting firecrackers inside school. Police said Sahil felt very hurt by the punishment and ended his life at home. His family is shocked and blames the school's strict actions. The Education Department has ordered an inquiry into the incident to understand what happened and prevent future tragedies. Madhya Pradesh is experiencing a sudden change in weather as a new western disturbance moves across northern India. Cities such as Bhopal, Indore and Gwalior saw light to moderate rainfall today, which helped bring down the daytime temperatures by 3 to 4 degrees Celsius. The State Meteorological Department has warned of more rain over the next 2 days in western and central region of Madhya Pradesh. Farmers are concerned about the impact of these rain on their standing soybean and paddy crops. Meanwhile, residents are welcoming the cool breeze after enduring week of heat. Many are hopeful that this means an early arrival of winter this year.